Okay, welcome out to Tackle Trading's daily market recap. This is Coach T from Tackle Trading. Very excited to be here. Let's get down to business. First, start with the news. First thing we do every single day. Right now, the markets are kind of in limbo a little bit based on just the seasonality, the end of March, early April. Kind of you see this year over year over year, and anticipating the next earnings season. Today, global markets rallied following Chair Yellen's dovish comments. Oil slipped. The ADP employment number came out with a 200K estimate and came in right in line. Technology and financial sectors outperformed. Let's take a look at the heat maps. Always a very good tool to go through is the Trade Center at Tackle Trading. If you're looking for a way to do your daily routine, go click on Menu, then Trade Center. Very, very good tool here. At the heat maps, you'll see a bunch of green. Financials were up. Wells Fargo, JP Morgan, Apple Computer had a good day today. Walmart, Amazon, both good days today. Mixed in utilities, mixed in healthcare, kind of a little bit down actually. Biotech has been an underperformer. Basic materials, some were very good, some were not. Chevron and ExxonMobil, the two big players in that sector, kind of were flatlined for the day. Let's take a look at the futures charts here. Always 5 products that we go through. First one is the S&P 500. We're going to start with a daily chart. Rally, hitting resistance, coming up into a zone where it should kind of slow down and whatnot. We've had a very good run in the market since mid-February. I expect that to kind of, have a challenge here in the next few weeks. I don't think we're necessarily there yet. It could continue upward, but we are approaching very, very strong upside resistance, and I think you need to take note of that and do something about it. Take a look at the energy sector, crude oil. It's been coming down. You've got good support at 38. If it breaks below 38, I think you've got quite a bit of downside there. Massive global oversupply and really weak demand. As crude oil goes, to me, the market will go. So if this breaks down and sells, I would be very cautious. Metals, let's take a look at gold. I kind of like gold in here at some level. About 1,200 is what I would say. Old resistance, new support, developing range. I would be very interested at that location as it comes down. So keep an eye on gold and silver in the metals markets. And then last but not least is the US dollar. USD has been dropping, and you see quite a bit of pressure. Support at 94.50. A break below 94.50, you probably have another 50 cents to $1 down on the index. If you're a Forex trader, obviously that will affect every major currency pair that you trade. Now, take a look at the economic calendar as we move forward. I like the Forex calendar here at Forex Factory. US dollar, red impact. Thursday, unemployment claims. Friday, the unemployment rate, 4.9% expectation. It's been coming down now for years, quite frankly, since 2009. For many, many different reasons. The jobs number always does pose a potential risk, so make sure that you're keeping an eye on that and paying attention. This Friday should have some volatility to it, which as in weekly earnings, options expiration, I should say you've got to keep an eye on that as well. Okay, for Coach T and Tackle Trading, this has been our daily market recap. Get in the game.